For Category 2A, Cristo Rey Integrated School, Cristo Rey, Iriga City. Troop and Staff, John Angel Celedonio, Troop Commander. Renz Daniel Lucena, Troop S1. Camel Ugtuhan, Troop S2. Jimuel Orsinet, Troop S3. Jessel Ann Nilio, Troop S4. Majorette Leader, Shane Kyle O. Salvadora. CTP DRM Company Commander, Rose Mael Nebres. CTP DRM Company XO, Ashley Praxides. First Platoon Leader, CTP DRM Boys, John Lennon B. Arabe. Second Platoon Leader, CTP DRM Girls, Jeanette Paz. School Head, May R. Ampungan. CTP Facilitator, Nocomor Rojero. Majorettes Coordinator, Marvin L. Viterbo. DLC Coordinator, Mario S. Pabor. Entry number 4, Cristo Rey Integrated School, Cristo Rey, Iriga City. And that was entry number 4, Cristo Rey Integrated School, Cristo Rey, Iriga City. Category 3, CTP DRM Company Minus.